What's up, guys? Toast again from Fishyaker. Welcome back here on the Susquehanna River again. It's definitely fall. Got Matt here with me. We're in the Susky sled. So far, we've done pretty well. Water temperature is in the low to mid 50s, and it seemed as further we got out into the open water, it did come up a couple of degrees. Lots of leaves out there getting sucked up into the outdrive of the jet, but we're catching fish, so hang tight. You'll like this one. Ooh, nice. Got him? What's... Nice. You nice.
For the channel, baby.
Oh, look.
Love the anchor mode in this thing works. Yeah. There should be lots of fish in here. Just there you go. Ooh, he's staying down too. What? He's staying down. He just picked up on it. He didn't really hit it at all. Look at that. He's coming back. Oh. Woo, he doesn't want to come up. Come on. Oh, 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 oh. And of course, Sean's calling me.
That is a beast.
Okay, whoever's calling me, your timing's not good.
Probably 3.
Hold on. And it's spam! Spam!
Right up against the
Wing is an important message.
18?
18, yeah. Holy shit, son. I said we were due for a
18! On the dot! You give me 18? I got 18. Nice. 3 1/4. 3, 2, nice. 2. Woo!
Okay, let's go home.
Okay, go on back in. No, we're done. Let's go home.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.